Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get update from us. Today in this video, I am going to teach you to recover your old TikTok account. Make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi. Now let's begin. Open your TikTok app. Here we go. Now tap on login or sign up on the red icon. Now go to the login which is given at the bottom. Tap on that. Here you can see TikTok will give you different options to log in. Now you should remember your old TikTok account was linked with Facebook, Google, Twitter or Instagram or your phone number. I remember that my old TikTok account was linked with my phone number. Now I will be tapping on the first option, use phone, email or username. Here I go. Now I will be typing here my phone number. After you are done, you can tap on send code on the red icon. Now TikTok will send 6-digit code to your phone. Here we go. You can see that you can easily log into your TikTok account that has been decades you haven't used it by using phone number, email, your Instagram ID or Facebook account. This is the very easy and simple process. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.